Hi everyone, I am Gerardo and this is my English project. During quarantine, I felt absolutely boredom because I couldn't go outside to play soccer or go to the cinema. However, I discovered that I fascinate cooking. Always in YouTube, I see tutorials about how to cook, barbecues, desserts, drinks, and I finished MasterChef Spain and Mexico. So I decided to cook in something that I like it. And in this case, I made a mango pie. This mango pie gave me a great moments and benefits in my life. Are you crazy? Do you talk with the food or how was? Well, first, I'm not crazy. This is a true story, so let me explain you. When did cooking become exciting? Number one, I'm amazed about the money because it's much cheaper get the ingredients than eating at a restaurant or buying processed foods. Number two, cooking your own meals can teach you which foods are high or low in certain vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients because you know how much sugar or fat are in your food. Number 3. I got surprised that cooking helps the brain to planning, organization, multitasking, creativity, and use chemistry and physics. Number 4. Cooking together is a great way to solidify relationships. The tasks are more interesting with the family, friends, even with the pets. In conclusion, I have rounded to some of the main reasons why cooking is good, because it helps you in the economic, health, and social. Also, you can start cooking whatever you want. Also, your food isn't delicious overcooked. The most important is enjoy it. Thanks, stay at home and wash your hands.